Welcome my dear students, colleagues and friends. After importing data from CSV format into R, in this video I am going to show how to import data from Excel format into R. So let me open my R. If you open your R software, the interface will look like this. Here you can see, it shows the R version, R is free software and so on. And on the right hand side there are two areas. The upper area is that of environment, history, connections, tutorial, and the lower area is about uh, file types, plots, packages, help, viewer, and presentation. In the previous video I showed you how to import data from CSV. In this video I am going to show data from Excel. So this time I am going to click on file and then click on dataset, and here in dataset I will click on from Excel because I want to import data from Excel file. After this I'll click on browse, and since my file is on desktop, so I would like to open that file, and the file is here. This is XLX format. This is in Excel. So when I click open, uh, after a few moments, the file will open here. These are this is ID, this is gender variable, this is race, socioeconomic status, school type, program. These are all descriptive or qualitative variable. Then from program onward, read, write, math, science, and social studies. These are the scores out of 100. So after that, if I click on import, then the data will be imported in this interface. And first of all, here in the environment, the name of the file HSB2, which shows that there are 200 observations on 11 variables. So these are the 11 variables from ID up to social study. And if I scroll down, there are 200 observations. So these are the 200 observations of 11 variables. So after this I can save this file again as a R file. So the procedure is the same. So this is how we can import data. So we will save this data here in file, and after that this is new file. So I'll save this as R file. So after that I'll write the file name. Let me give it a name 1234. So that I could then, so this file name has been created here, and now let me